question to you is, considering the current situation, there is this unprecedented lockdown where the complete world is
Mm.
facing right now. Everyone had to be at home. Even if you had to step out, you have a curfew until today. And because of this,
Yeah.
what's happened is people are going through mixed emotions. Some people, actually, it's a very bad phase of life. 10, you would say 10% of people are really happy with what is going on. But most of the people, it's like they had a daily routine. Like maybe you work from Monday to Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, you were just stress free. But now it's, you're restricted at home and you can't go outside. So would you like to advise something on, how people can come over this, and or what can they do to, control their emotions?
Okay, so now I will explain to you the situation from a higher perspective, from a higher, point of view. That everything that happens in our life is because of some reason, some divine reason that is unexplainable, and we do not know the reason behind it.
Right.
Okay. So now, if you look at this situation is out of our hand. Okay. It is not, it is something that we cannot
Right.
control. But what we can do is we can use this situation as an opportunity to grow our skills, or maybe to focus more on ourselves. Because you know what? Our society had accepted the eat, sleep, work, repeat
Correct.
cycle. Okay. They were going on a loop every single day, the same routine, every single day, the same thing. But they did not have time to sit with themselves. Okay. It is only when you sit with your own self you are able to know more about what you are, what skills you have, or if you have that business idea, you can work more about, you can work more on that. So, really take this time. It is a gift. Actually, if you look at this thing, this lockdown is a gift. Care of yourself. You can start sitting with. What we do is sometimes we run from we run from the issue at hand, and then we start doing our job. Now you're coming real face to face with yourself and your situations. So now you can take this as an opportunity, okay? And you can work on yourself, and you can in this situation, because see, it's going to go away. Okay. But what you do in this
Right.
situation is what is going to help you with your life. And a situation is just a situation. Okay. Whether you feel
Yeah.
good or bad about it, it is up to you. So you can either find opportunity, or you can find, like misgrace or something, you can be saddened by the situation. Yeah.
True, true. Okay. Okay, so my
So that's what
next
I wanted to
question
say.
is, relating to the same thing. Now, as you know, people
Mm-hmm.
sitting at home are, kind of depressed, and because of that, they take an impulsive decision of, ending their life, because right now that is currently what is going on. And many, yeah, many youngsters, I would say, maybe not matured enough to take a decision, and ultimately take a decision of ending their life, or isolating themselves, and being upset. So what would you advise to them, and what is the best way of coming out of this kind of emotion?
Okay, so every time, whenever your life goes into a downward spiral, okay,
Yeah.
it is because you are making a part of your life your entire life. Okay, so you said something about, people committing suicide. Why do they commit suicide? Because they make one part of their life, they overshadow their entire life. Okay, so there was this girl, TikTok got banned in India, and she committed suicide, and she is such a beautiful girl. Okay, she was so beautiful,
Yeah.
and she just committed suicide just because of one fact did not work out as per her. So we always think that life should work out as per ourselves, but life doesn't always go as per ourselves. Okay, as per our plans. Okay, it always turns out either better than what we had planned for us. I think it always turns out better than what we had planned for
Correct.
ourselves, right?
Correct.
So basically, people, whenever you find yourself focusing on just one aspect of your life, don't forget the other aspects which are good, which are going great, which you are grateful for. Because we allow that one aspect to overshadow our entire life. That is why we fall into a downward spiral. So that is the only reason why people commit suicide. Because when you're feeling low in your life, just focus on everything that is working out for you.
Right. Right.
Yeah.